click here, run once. Okay, now it's saving in your Google Drive, and alright, here we have. I'm gonna see our database. Perfect. We have here, this is the name, Olivia Wilson. Okay, and this is a link. Now let's look into our Google Drive resume. The new file here is this. Now I'm gonna point out here because this is a new format that I want, the PDF. Alright. Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you how to convert any file or image to the format you want. Okay, here we have the flowchart. Basically, when you receive different kinds of documents, it could be PDFs, images, screenshots, no matter what kind of format you receive, this automatically will be converted into the format you want. Okay, in this case, I'm using this CloudConvert. Then it will be saved in your Google Drive, and finally, this will be updated in your database. Okay, so let's get started. As always, we're gonna start from scratch. Okay, well, now when we're here, the first thing I'm gonna use the module of Gmail. Here we have, and choose watch emails. Perfect. Now, once you're here, choose the folder, choose all emails. It gives the same criteria, all emails. And I'm gonna activate this. Sometimes the candidate send you by the name of the resume. I'm gonna type here the resume, and that's all. Click OK. Okay. Now the next step here is to add the module, the cloud. But here you go here, you can create your account. Just type the name of the CloudConvert, and you will create an account. It's so fast how you can create this. It takes only few minutes, and it's so easy. When you have here, just go here, go to your dashboard here, and look at this. Go here and choose API keys. Okay, and here you create a new API key. Type here the name you want, select everything of this, create, and when you have your API key, go here to make the code and look for this cloud convert. Okay, here we have different options. Now we're gonna choose convert a file. Alright, now the input file. In here, we're gonna upload a file or import a file from URL. In this case, I'm using Gmail account. Okay, and here, map, and we have the data from my Gmail account. Go here and select data and the file name. Okay, well, now here we have another fields in the convert options. Here you can receive different kind of files. Only choose, I don't know, the input format. Okay, now in the output format here you're gonna select, in my case, and for this example, I'm gonna look for PDF. Okay, PDF. And I'm gonna get the same name of the attachment here. And I'm gonna activate this download file. Yeah. Okay, here. Click OK. And one thing more. It's important to type here this format that you are choosing here. Okay. So I'm gonna type here PDF. Okay. Now click here. And the next module I'm gonna add here is to add and to save this information in my Google Drive. For this, I'm gonna create here in Google Drive a new folder, and this will be resume. Okay, create, perfect. Now I'm gonna do another thing here and go and create a new spreadsheet here. Create a new one, and the title will be Candy Dates Resume. Okay, and here I'm gonna fill out these fields with name and URL. Okay, perfect. You can add another field that you want to remember more, even if you are getting the dates of different candidates. You can complete different dates here, okay? For this simple example, I'm gonna use these two fields. Okay, now let's jump into make the Google Drive module, upload a file, and here select from the list, and here resume. That's all. Click OK. And the last module that I'm gonna add here is Google Sheet. Add a row, and here I'm gonna look for candidate resume. Okay, sheet one, and here I'm gonna complete the name. I'm gonna go and the same name of the attachment and URL. Normally we're gonna use web content link. That's all. Click OK. That's all. Now I'm gonna make a test here. For this, I'm gonna open my Gmail account, create a new, and the subject resume. And the file I'm gonna add here is this, okay? The format is different. Remember, no matter what kind of format you will receive in your email, okay? And send. Perfect. I have here. Now let's jump into make that come. And finally, we're gonna make that test. So click here, run once. Okay, CloudConvert is making their job. Everything will be done for you, remember, automatically. Okay, now it's saving in your Google Drive, and all right, here we have. I'm gonna see our database. Perfect. We have here. This is the name, Olivia Wilson. Okay, and this is a link. Look at this. It's in the new format, PDF. Okay. Now let's look into our Google Drive. Here we have resume. The new file here is this. Okay. Now I'm now open here, and this is the new format. I'm gonna point out here because this is a new format that I want, the PDF. Alright, so that's all. Okay, alright. Now, remember, you have here this simple module. If you have any idea, it will be so easy how you can convert different files that you want into the document, into PDFs, into images. No matter what kind of file you want to choose, you can receive in this case in your Gmail account. In other cases, you can upload in your Google Drive account directly, or you can use another platform like Dropbox. Okay, and here we have a Google Sheets. Now you can add another modules here. You can send by emails. You can collect data for this a candidate in this case from Google Form. You have different possibilities how you can create here. You can use GPT to analyze this document. Anyway, you can do everything that you can imagine. You have here in make.com bunch of modules that you can use depending on the need that you have. Okay, I think that's all. And if you have any question, feel free to leave them down below. And I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.